Hi, my name is Margaret and welcome to Rear Facing Toddlers. In this video I'm going to show you how to install the Joie Tilt car seat rear facing. The Tilt is a car seat that rear faces from birth to 18 kilos. Now here on the side you've got blue guides and red ones. On any car seat that can face rear as well as forward, red always means forward facing and blue is where you put the seat belt for rear facing. In order to install this car seat rear facing, this blue diamond needs to line up with this one, and that reveals the rear facing belt path. And you do that by squeezing a lever here at the bottom and swiveling the seat all the way around so that this blue guide here is revealed. This car seat is essentially installed in the same way that infant carriers up to 13 kilos are, but rather than take the lap belt over the top of the seat, in this car seat it goes underneath through here. So in order to get the seatbelt done up, it's easier if you just move the car seat back a little bit to create a gap here so that you've got room to put the seatbelt on. So I'm now going to do up the seatbelt, pull out a generous amount of length, buckle it in, and then where you've got the lap belt, you need to stand the lap belt upright facing forward, and then you feed it with the top edge first, underneath the car seat, into this groove here. I'm doing both at the same time, so it now sits in this groove, and then you pull it tight and the seat moves back towards the back of the car. Pull out all the slack. I always find that to get the belt as tight as possible, it's easiest if you put your right leg in the footwell, push the seat into the car whilst pulling all the slack out of the belt, and you then wrap the diagonal belt around the back of the car seat. On the back of the Joie Tilt there are 4 seatbelt guides, 2 down here and 2 a little bit higher up. You wrap the diagonal belt around the back of the seat and you only use 2 diagonal guides depending on which side the seat is installed on. So in this case it's on the driver's side of the car, the buckle is down there, the door is behind me, so we're going to use this guide first and that one second. So the diagonal belt goes here and then it goes up here and fits into this slot here. For the final part of the installation, I've climbed into the car behind the seat because that's the easiest way to pull the belt tight, and that's the blue clip. This clip, all the new Tilts come with a blue clip attached to the back of the seat in a little mesh bag. This is an old model and I have a loose clip, but it is a Joie clip and it's exactly the same one that you get when you buy the seat brand new. So you open the clip like this, there's a little grey catch on it, you push that down, open the clip, and then the clip is passed around the diagonal belt only. You then close the clip, pull the belt really tight and slide the clip all the way down towards the buckle, and that stops the lap belt from slackening and maintains the tension and keeps the seat nice and tight. So that's the Joie Tilt installed rear facing in the back of a Ford Focus. Thank you very much for watching and I'll see you next time.